Long-term disability insurance claims. How do insurance companies cherry-pick the evidence to their benefit? Hello, I'm Mark Whitehead, a board-certified disability attorney and author of the disability help book, Disability Insurance Policies, How to Unravel the Mystery and Prove Your Claim. The disability laws and ERISA regulations keep insurance companies from engaging in a number of negative practices that can hurt you. But they still can't stop them from attempting to harm your case with deception. One of the most common things that insurers try to do is cherry-pick which evidence they decide to use from medical and vocational experts. What is cherry-picking? Quite simply, it's when someone looks at a number of findings, often confusing or conflicting, and chooses only those findings that support their argument. In the case of insurance companies fighting a disability claim, they'll literally pull out and use only evidence and statements that make it sound like the claimant is not disabled. Unfortunately, ERISA regulations don't specifically prevent insurance companies from doing this sort of thing. What they do allow is for you and your representative to present counter evidence that shows that the insurance company is doing something wrong and allows you to argue that what they're saying is incorrect. For example, let's say that your doctor writes a letter that says you're disabled and that you can't work because of all the pain you're under. That seems pretty clear, right? But what if, somewhere else in the paperwork, your doctor says that you can sit for 8 hours a day? It might not have even been in relationship to your disability, but something like this is gold to your insurer. They'll most likely pounce on this statement and argue that your doctor is saying you could work in a sedentary job, even though they have a letter from the same doctor specifically saying you have a disability. This is where a skilled and experienced lawyer can help. Not only will they be able to bring this pertinent information to light, it's possible that with their help and guidance, the original problem never would have happened in the first place. Why? Because they know how insurers operate under the disability laws and can advise you to be careful with your language. For more information about this topic, check out my free ebook, Disability Insurance Policies, How to Unravel the Mystery and Prove Your Claim. Visit www.disabilitydenials.com for a free downloadable copy, or call 1-800-562-9830 to discuss your particular disability issue. I'm Mark Whitehead. Thanks for watching.